Hi, we're Darby and Ro, and Cosmo. We're currently travelling Australia in our self-converted van. We upload videos every week about our travels and the ups and downs of living in a van. This is what we got up to this week. We're currently at Hideaway Beach, and it is probably one of the most beautiful beaches we've seen in Queensland so far. Reading my book, I'm about almost halfway through, and I'm not loving it as much as I loved the last one, but I hope it gets a little bit better. Oh, here come the boys. Cosmo, the rules are no digging. No digging in the sand around the blanket, no rolling.
No.
Oh! Sure you don't want to keep him with you? Look at this.
Just like 5 minutes.
No. Cosmo. Stop.
Stay.
No. Sit. That was chaotic. Sorry that you had to see that. We've got a very wet, sandy Cosmo. There goes my quiet, peaceful reading time. Let me just show you the situation here. It's not as relaxing as it looks from this angle, trust me. Cosmo just came back from the beach, put all this sand over the rug. He's absolutely covered in sand and it's just everywhere. Now he's wrapped around the bag and he's probably going to start barking in a second because he can see people standing up on the paddle boards. They're fine, bud. They're okay, they're no threat. He's not very good at listening to rules. He's sitting in a hole that he just dug and there's more sand on the blanket. And there he goes again. No, not on the blanket.
There is the meaning of what you learn. There is time to change. You will get over that mountain.
Something very, very embarrassing just happened to us. And I wouldn't usually talk about this sort of thing, but we're all about being real with you guys on here. So here goes. We sat in dog shit for about 30 minutes. It was under our picnic rug and it stank. I couldn't even smell it because I have a terrible sense of smell, so I was just sitting in it. Obviously we weren't going to wash it and keep it, so we're going to buy a new one soon. And that's the story of the day.
When you fall down over and over, it just makes you bolder, and you will get through it all. Yeah, you will get through it all.
This way! Nice and safe off the jetty. Let's go explore some coconuts, bud. Whoa, look at them all!
Are you enjoying
Slime! We're currently in Mackay, some beach area. We have barbecues, tables and chairs, so we're just cooking our dinner to save our gas. And we've just parked up there. Looks a little bit stormy, but I don't think we'll get too much rain. Cosmo's loving the grass. Oh, what's he got? What have you got, bud? Can I see? Is it a feather?
So wait, let me just see what they're trying to do. There's a grasshopper in the van.
And we got to get him out. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to try and swipe him away. Oh, his little legs are going. Oh my god, he jumped! He jumped towards the fridge! That was embarrassing. We couldn't find him in the van, so hopefully he's jumped outside and he's not still in the van. We might have found him, or it might be his friend. We just got told to move off the road by a policeman, so I think there's a big truck coming. You excited for the big truck?
Excited for the big truck.
Oh, it's like floating in the
Train.
Wow. Currently 6:30 in the morning and the closest toilets to us open at 7:30, and I'm like, well, can't really wait an hour to go to the bathroom because I'm kind of busting. So I went to the servo across the road, the friendliest man I've ever met, and I got some apricot delights because we have to spend a lot of money today and this will cheer us up. This is the first expensive thing we've had to buy today. The other MacBook we have is kind of shitting itself at the moment, so had to get a new one, very expensive. This is the next expensive thing we had to get today. How are you feeling?
In pain.
and I are just on our way to the toilet this morning, and let me just update you about yesterday. Oh my god, we're stopping. Yesterday we had to buy a completely new MacBook and a new phone because Rowan has dropped his phone so many times. If you know him personally, you'll know that he has like a million cracks in his phone. So that one finally broke. So he went to Google though, a Google phone. I don't know how I feel about that, but he's out of Apple now, so that'll be different. But yeah, we had to get a new MacBook as well because this one that I've had since like 2018 is just not it at the moment, so we've stopped again. We're most likely going to leave Rockhampton today because we've stayed at this rest area for 2 nights, which is the maximum. So we're not really... Oh my god, we've stopped again. Cosmo. I'm literally never going to make it to this toilet. As I was trying to say before, we are leaving Rockhampton today and we're hopefully going to head up to Yeppoon, I think. Yeah, it's meant to be like a really nice little beachy area, but yeah, that should be fun. We're running quite low on petrol and water and power, but the caravan parks around here are so expensive. They're like $150 a night for a powered site because it's around Easter time, so everyone's camping, so we need to just make our own way. Cosmo, he's found a feather. He loves feathers. It's so cute, bud. All of a sudden this dog has gone crazy again. This weekly video should have gone up on Wednesday, but we're thinking it's going to be more like today because I have lots of graphic design work to do, send off to the client and set up all the new technology like the laptop and all my products that I use for the designs, and then I need to edit this video, and yeah, it's been a bit of a bump in the road, but we'll get there. Oh, nah. We're just at the laundromat in Rockhampton and we thought we would just end this video here. Ended. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Bye! Bye! Bye.